that's good too. So, here's the deal, guys. The rule is this. This is a 15-minute competition.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Damn, it just gets harder and harder, doesn't it? See? So,
he's concentrating hard.
It's a 10-minute competition.
He's concentrating.
Whoever finishes their pizza first with nothing in their mouth, and you got to show us, is the winner. If no one's
like man versus food.
If no one's done in 10 minutes, it's whoever got the farthest. If you decide you're gonna leave all the crust in the end, or you got 8 crusts, you did not eat 8 slices. You know what I'm saying? So, other than that, I think we covered everything, right?
Yeah.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go, guys. You ready?
Get it. Let's get it.
Get set. Go!
There we go.
Sandwich style. Oh, Christian, make it move. Come on,
Save me a slice.
Slow it down.
Kobayashi's in the lead.
Kobayashi's in the lead.
Kobayashi in the lead.
Christian, you know you have to eat it all, right? He knows. He's got a plan. He's got a plan.
Come on, baby.
He's halfway done. Kobayashi's going. He's running everything.
Get it, baby. Get it.
Christian, come on, baby. Come on, Kobayashi. There it goes.
You got it. Go,
Finish it.
Put up in
He knows everyone from the football line.
How was it? That was awesome. How go, Mikey? Christian, you were in there, brother.
This way, if you had to win, you just got a really cheap lunch. The official time, 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Oh, 2 minutes 18. That's what was. Nice work, man. Nice work.